even after so many years. I feel really special God's child. Thank you for all your love.
एक और जोरदार ताली में मुझे last time we remember आपका भुवनेश्वर visit किया था नहीं so how do you find this place the city Bhubaneswar
Well, it was a very short drive to the hotel, but every city is cleaner than Mumbai. Yeah, I live in a city, Mumbai. I love it, but it is not that clean. Yeah, so I've not seen much of it, and I have really bad memory. So that's why I don't remember my last visit. I just know wherever I go in India or internationally, the love from the Indians, fellow Indians, all over is the same. Yeah, that's amazing.
एक बार तालियां हो जाए और ये सिलसिला जारी रखें क्योंकि बस कुछ ही मोमेंट्स में विनर अनाउंस होने वाले हैं but before that we definitely it's an honor to have Bipasha.
So yes, it's wonderful. Matritva, it's all about yeah. I'm not a mother, but I do have a wonderful mother. Someday I'm going to be a mother. It's one of the most beautiful relationships that I share with my own mother. Now, what else can I say? I can just applaud you on your amazing effort.
And चलिए जी इसी के साथ let's have a small token of felicitation for Bipasha. Can we have bouquet of roses to be given by Shweta to Bipasha? And seriously Bipasha, मैं इतना पुराना फैन हूँ 96 वाला फैन हूँ आपका. हाँ आप जब आप टीवी के ऐड किया करती थी.
98 बोल रहे हो 96 दिसंबर में तो फर्स्ट कॉन्टेस्ट हुआ.
And do you remember जब आपकी अजनबी आई थी and you got an award for that movie. आपकी पहली फिल्म के लिए आपको अवार्ड मिला था and उसके बाद तो भाई सिलसिला थमा ही नहीं चलता ही रहा चालू चलता. एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ this weather bouquet for Bipasha. Thank you very much for honoring us and gracing us on this occasion. And now, because we all have been waiting for these results, and I hope the judges, the jury member is they are ready for the results. Amazing! So can we call all the participants on stage? आज ये एक करके जी हमें भी दिखे आप कितनी सुंदर परिधानों में आज यहाँ पर आए हैं. So